Hi, I'm Vicky and welcome to our channel, and today I'm going to be doing a sweater design using a different technique. And these are the products I'm going to be using. Let's go! I'm going to be starting off with a coat of soft grey of the Urban Graffiti gel polish. I'll be doing that on a tip. So you want to load the brush up, lots of product, and don't forget those sides, cuticle, free edge, and don't forget to cap. And pop it under an LED lamp for 30 seconds or a minute for UV. And now we're going to go in with a second coat to give that perfect coverage. And then pop it back in the lamp for another 30. Going to go in with the Urban Graffiti top coat just to seal that colour in. And pop it back under the lamp for 30 seconds. So you'd usually do the design with the gel polish and then sugar the acrylic over the top. But I don't know why, but I decided to put some soft grey in a palette and throw some acrylic powder in there. Mix it up, turn it into a paste. So I went in with a dotting tool, make sure it's the right consistency. It's not too thick. And this is me trying to do a straight line. Yeah, just wasn't working. Mix it up a little bit more, go back in. And just tease with the dotting tool the paste, just slowly working it down the nail. Then I go back into the paste and I'm doing some dots with the dotting tool down one side of the nail. And once you're done with the dots, pop it under the lamp. And then you're going to repeat the same process on the opposite side. Just tease that paste down the nail. Gonna pop some dots down the side. Dot, dot. And here I'm just gonna tidy up a little bit of my line, make it a bit higher, and get that bubble out. And then pop it back under the lamp. So I'm going to do the middle bit now. Do some lovely little like backwards S's. They kind of look a bit like Harry Potter's scar. I think Dobby loves Harry Potter. And then we're just going to repeat the same pattern all the way down the nail. I'm going to pop it back under the lamp for a final cure. Then I'm going to use the Neo Nails gel residue wipe off solution and get rid of that tacky layer. And here's the finished sweater nail. Let us know what you think of the technique. Just comment below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a simple winter design that you can do at home. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. All the products are listed below. See you next time.